So I've been working with students for a few years, specifically on getting prepared for college. And I keep seeing students with a really great academic record, excellent grades, and lots of extracurricular activities. And they write a beautiful essay, and it's obviously they're going to do amazing things with their life, but they have this ACT score that doesn't match all of that for some reason. And my experience has been with these students that we can really improve their scores a lot just with a handful of pretty easy to learn, simple test taking strategies. Even just that can make a huge difference. And I really want to help you guys get those scores up right from the start. Your essays matter, and your grades matter, and your recommendations matter. It all matters. But to be honest, those test scores, they affect a whole lot of things. The strategies in this course, guys, they're tested. I've tested them with my students over the years. They're strategies that other people have used effectively for years and years and years. And they do help students. They help my students. They help students raise their scores quickly, even when they don't have time to study the subject matter and the other test content as well. They have a big impact on where you get into college, to be honest. And especially they have a big impact on how much scholarship money is going to come your way once you do get in.